This video, we're going to create this whole landing page for some imaginary product. We are going to use V0 to create everything from scratch, and I'm using the free version, so I don't have the premium version of V0 yet. And we're also going to try this new feature from V0 to link and deploy to Vercel projects, although that one didn't go as I expected. I really think it's impressive to create and deploy something like this in like time range from 5 to 10 minutes without any idea of the design or the product that we are building. So I really hope that you're going to enjoy this one. Our prompt is going to be create a modern looking SaaS landing page for some imaginary product. And again, I'm using a free version. You can see it here. If I need more messages, get higher limits with premium. So you can do this with a free version. And now let's see what are we going to get. So we are creating a modern looking SaaS landing page, and V0 is going to do it for us. Let's see what is going on here. So it's creating, if we check here the page, we are going to get header, hero, features, testimonials, pricing, FAQ, and footer. So it's creating now multiple components. It's not just one component and then everything is filled out in one page. Now it's actually creating multiple components, and it's going to combine everything in the end on page.tsx, what we would do if we would create this kind of project. So we can see now that it's creating features and it looks good. It's using ShadCN. Here we can see it's using cards and it's extracting everything out of the UI, which is really great. And here we have our header, our hero section, our pricing, and this one also, I didn't expect to see pricing here. So that's really awesome. We have testimonials, and let's see what did we get here. So we have revolutionize your project management with AI. So this is some kind of project that V0 imagined. So that's some kind of project management with AI project. So we have here our whole landing page, and let me move this a little bit so you can see it better like this. So we have our hero section, which is looking good. We have get started, learn more button. Then we have here our features from our imaginary product. Then we have the testimonials, what our customers say without images but with placeholders. We have the pricing section, simple, transparent pricing, nice, and we have frequently asked questions. Here we have some accordions, yeah, with all the text and everything for our imaginary product, and we have our footer. The only thing I see that is bad is this footer and header because the padding is not good. We need to add some px5 or something like that. But other than that, everything is good. So let's now try to use this deploy new thing from V0. So we need to create a deployment on Vercel for this block. Okay, add your chat to a project to deploy. We need to create a new project. And here we are going to call it, what's the name? I don't know, project management AI, like this. And let's try to create it. So now we are creating, and we have failed to deploy block to Vercel. Nice. Okay, let's see how are we going to fix this. So this happened to me before, and I think we need to do it the old school way. So we are going to add this one to codebase. So I'm going to copy this npx shadcn add command, and we are opening our terminal, and I'm just going to paste it in. So like this, we're going to create a new Next.js project. And here, yes, we're starting a new Next.js project. We're going to call it, what was the name of that one? Nexus. Okay. I'm going to call it Nexus. And now we are creating a new Next.js project, which we are going to be able to deploy without a problem. So we are choosing New York, Stone, yes, for the CSS. We are initializing our shadcn. It's checking the registry, updating tailwind config ts, and now we should get everything. So we need to overwrite our page.tsx because that one is coming now from v0. And now if we go to our nexus and open pm dev, and go to our localhost 3001 because something is already open for me. Let's see how does it look. It failed to comply from some reason because we probably need to run. Let's see, it's missing the header. So let's see how is this one looking. I'm going to the project, to Nexus, and I'm opening the code for that one. This one is now not as easy as I thought it would be. So here is the code. Now we need to go to our header. So this one looks fine. We need to go to our page, and here we can see that it's not calling everything in the right way from some reason. So we need to call it from here, from our components with the at symbol and not with the dot. So V0 missed this one. Now if we go, here it is. It's looking nice. Again, we have this problem with the uh, header and with the footer. We can now fix this. Actually, the whole project looks like it's a little bit moved to the left side. So let's see. Maybe here on our page, let's see the header. Yeah, here we have a container. If we do here mx auto, yeah, now that one is fixed, and I think we need to do it for each of these sections. So that's the thing also that was missed by V0. Yeah, now it's much better. So we need now to go to each, like to the features where we have the container. We need to put in MX Auto and testimonials also. And let's see what we else have here. Pricing, like this. FAQ also. Do we have that? Yeah, we have the container. Yeah, that's basically the same for each of these sections. And last but not least, the footer here. Okay, now it should be good. So now everything is nice and centralized. It looks good. Awesome. So now we can deploy it, and that's it. So now I'm going to open my GitHub. I'm going to create a new repository. I'm going to call it Nexus. This one is going to be in the description below, so you can check it out. It's the AI project management tool, and we can create a new repo. Okay, that's it. So now we can just add our origin here to this Nexus, and we can see the git status. Everything is there. So now we can just commit it. We can just say Nexus. Here it is, pushing that one. Awesome, there it is. And now we can refresh this repo. We can see that we have the code. Now we can go to our Vercel account, and here I'm searching for the management tool, and here it is. We can see here that it tried to deploy something, but without success. So we are going to do it instead of them. I'm going to my GitHub account, and there I'm going to put in the Nexus. Here it is, connecting, and it's connected. Nice. So we connected Git repository successfully, and now we can actually deploy this thing. So we can go now to here to the general, I think. Yes, here, and we have the framework other. I don't know why. It should be Next.js. Here it is. I'm saving that one, and that one should be good. So we updated build and development settings successfully. So now we can go to domains, and here we can see that there is no deployment yet. And to deploy it, we need to push to main or run Vercel prod. So for us, it's the easiest way is just to push something to our main branch. So I'm going to add here just something, whatever. Here I can like change the order of these classes like this, and I can push that one, commit, let's just say something, and we are pushing that commit. So now when we get back to our Vercel and go to deployments and refresh, here it is. We are getting our first deployment, and we should have it hopefully live now after so much time. So this one should have been much easier. Vercel should like just deploy this automatically when we click that deploy button that they have, that new button. But that one was obviously not working. So I wanted to show you what you need to do if you cannot deploy it from there. So it's like before, like old school, let's say. So here we have some problems in testimonials. Maybe this is the problem why it wasn't deploying, probably because we have these problems here in the testimonials. So now when we go there, we can see that it's probably, yeah, here. This one should be updated. Let's see if that's the only, yes. So that's the line 62, and that's the line that we updated. So it had errors, and that was the problem. So now we can just say fix and push it, and it should be good. So let's see now. Now we are going again to our project management AI tool. Here it is. Do we have, yes, we have a new deployment. And in the end, it successfully deployed this new thing. So we can now go to this link and we have this project live. You can also see it in the description below if you'd like. So this is how fast you can build something like this. And I think it's still impressive. Like it's not impressive like it could have been if we clicked that button and it worked. But still, it's much faster than before. Like 10 years ago, this was something really hard to create and to deploy and to do all the stuff like without any money. So we are doing everything for free. We deployed everything for free, and V0 created everything for free for us. So we were not like fighting with designs or something like that. We got everything just from scratch. So I hope you like this one, and for more content like this, subscribe.